Now question number 3, if you see this, the question is asked related to the kidney. The answer of this question is over 99% of the filtered fluid is reabsorbed by the water. Let's discuss the question in detail. That the kidney receives 1.2 liter per minute the blood, which is approximately about 25% of the cardiac output. And like this is the kidney, and here this is the cortex, and inside this is the medulla. The cortex has approximately 20 times higher blood flow as compared to the medulla. So the blood flow in the cortex is higher as compared to the medulla. The medulla has low blood flow to maintain the concentration gradient in the medulla, which is helpful for the urine concentrating mechanism. About the other options, the blood flow counts for, it is 25%, not the 75%. Blood flow is greater in cortex, not in the medulla. Option number C is over 99% of filtered water is reabsorbed in the kidney. Yeah, it is true, because whatever is the filtered, only 1% of the filtered water goes into the urine. The 99% is reabsorbed. Antidiuretic hormone. Antidiuretic hormone is ADH, which is also known as vasopressin. This is the hormone which is secreted by the posterior pituitary. It is a posterior pituitary hormone, and it increases the permeability of collecting duct. It increases the permeability of the collecting duct so that more and more water can be reabsorbed by the collecting duct. So it is antidiuretic hormone decreases the water permeability. No, it is increases. It is increases the water permeability of the collecting duct, and this is act through the vasopressin. And so this is the act through the aquaporin channels. Aquaporin are the channels, they are the water channels, and this antidiuretic hormone, they increases the permeability of the water by the aquaporins.